Hey guys, so we got one of these lens restore kits from Turtle Wax, and we're gonna try to see if we can make this headlight look a lot better. This was not as bad. So it just said clean the headlights. It didn't say to put soap on there or not, so I'm just gonna avoid that because I don't know if it'll cause harm or not. And you can feel this very rough. It feels like sandpaper. Back in the day, we used to sand this down with like 800 grit, and then like 1,000, 2,000 grit, and then we used to put a automotive clear coat on there. But I've never used one of these kits, so we'll see what happens. Alright guys, so it's time to open this, get the contents out. So we got some spray lubricant, clarifying compound, a glove, one glove, we got two polishing pads here that have they're two-sided, so it's like 4 different grits. You got your lens base coat wipe and your lens sealing wipe. Alright guys, so I found a Reebok sock here. Should be cotton, hopefully. We're gonna apply some compound here. Big old blob there. And we're gonna get it all over the lens. I'm gonna put a little bit more. Now I don't know if it's had to go left to right in circles or whatnot. So we're gonna spray the lens. And side number 1, we're gonna go left to right. Now we're gonna go up and down. So now we're gonna go this way. It's pretty exhausting, guys. So now we're gonna go up and down. Whew. It's a workout. I'm gonna go ahead and use this terry cloth here. Yeah, I don't know how this is gonna look, but we're gonna find out together. So we're gonna put more of this compound on here. And you can use a buffer if you have one. I have one, but somewhere in the man cave, shed, lost forever. I let the compound dry to haze and buff with a cotton cloth. Yeah, we'll just let that turn to a haze and then we'll wipe it down. I'm going to continue on the other side, and we'll be back for the final little wipes that come in here. These two right here. Alright guys, so now I gotta open the lens base coat wipe, and I gotta wear my glove, of course. Quickly coat both of the lenses with a wipe. Once dry, I gotta follow up with a lens sealing wipe, and coating will cure in 24 hours and vehicle will be driven immediately. So let me put my glove on real quick. I don't know if it's left-handed or right-handed. This really wore me down, guys. So and once again, it says clean both lenses before opening. And once again, use a plastic glove. Quickly coat both lenses with a wipe immediately. Once dry, immediately follow the lens sealing wipe. Alright, I guess that's enough. I don't know. Alright guys, so I think it's dry. So once again, once it's dried, immediately follow with a lens sealing wipe using your glove. Coat both of the lenses with an even back and forth motion. Alright. No! That's what I was scared of. Oh man. Now I don't know if it looks the same on the camera or not, but let me show you the other side. See, this light looks real nice here. It was mostly burned or oxidized on that side. I guess I'll just wait for this to dry up, and we'll see how it looks later on. I know it's better than it was. I just don't know if it was much of an improvement. I think it sure does. I think it does look a lot better. I probably could have done some wet sanding on there with a big sheet of sandpaper. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Besides me dropping the sealing wipe there. What do you guys think about the outcome? We'll check back out later on and see how she looks. Alright guys, so the lights are done. I'm not really happy with the outcome, but it could have been my lenses might have been really torn up. As you can see, it's still opaque, or whatever you call it. It's not too transparent there, but there is a lot of gashes on here. There was a lot of oxidation or whatever. The lights do feel smooth. They do look a bit more clear from a distance. This light was really bad, and as you get closer, you can tell there's still a lot of kind of like oxidation there, roughness to the light. Now the lights don't look yellow, but we'll see how this finish lasts on here. Hopefully it'll last a while and not go bad quickly. But alright guys, that's it for this video.